YouTube, what's up guys? Just an FYI, this video is sponsored by Treasurex.
And it's gonna be the most fun we've ever had dissecting an alien.
It's so big! Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it!
Whoa!
Wow. This should be slime, isn't it? Oh my gosh.
What the heck? Oh!
I feel like if you could get gold slime, we just nailed it. I'm just saying, this is the 5th time you've said you've been abducted by aliens. I find it hard to believe.
It's alien dissection time!
I gotta go. I love you, Grandma. Bye. It's what?
Alien dissection time!
My favorite time of all time.
Yes.
YouTube, what is up, guys? We are
TurboToyTime.
My name is Andy, and this is my son,
Ryder.
and we do toy videos, and today we are doing something so out of this world and epic and just outrageously fun.
Yes.
This is Treasurex
Alien Dissection.
This is the biggest alien ever made by Treasurex that you can dissect.
Yeah.
This is probably just ever made.
Yeah.
We've done a handful of alien dissections from Treasurex, but never one this epic.
Yeah. I like how it has a gold chain.
He does have a gold chain, doesn't he? There's so much inside this. And we're gonna tell you all about it and experience it all. Prepare to be amazed. I mean, just look at it. This is a 12-inch alien.
And it has 35 plus surprises.
Plus, they could have more.
Yeah.
And within those surprises, there are 4 alien treasure hunters, 9 alien weapons and accessories, 7 stickers.
And there's 4 alien treasures from around the galaxy that you can get in here.
I bet you can probably get a gold piece in that.
Oh, yeah.
Treasurex usually works that way. That is plenty of things to keep you enthralled and engaged as you go on your cosmic journey. Speaking of cosmic journey, are you ready to embark on our own out-of-this-world cosmic journey?
Yeah.
Let's get going. Let's open this up. I love that Treasurex has steps. That's like, it's like you get to you literally do go on a journey, but it tells you exactly what to do, and you also have a lot of surprises along the way.
Yeah.
It's really cool. Are we ready to crack it open?
Yes.
You have the fun.
Whoa!
Wow. Oh my gosh, there's organs. You can feel the squishiness in there.
Here's the ribs.
The 4 organs are heart,
Here are the
eyeballs, their guts,
and their brain.
Woo! Okay, I say brain last.
Oh, okay, so bottom up.
So the guts, we'll do the guts first, okay?
Okay.
So you get to do the honors. What do we find? There should be slime, isn't it? Oh my gosh. He's in the slime. Oh, there's, wait, you get 4 alien treasure hunters.
Oh, really?
I just thought you got 1 of 4.
Oh.
You get 4? That is awesome. Oh, there's snakes, dude.
There's snakes?
They're little baby snakes. Get him out of there. Rescue him. We got our bodies of our alien treasure hunters, and then we got some little accessories. This is I dropped him, oh no. This is a little alien spider thing? I don't know.
There's also some snakes.
And a lot of snakes, yeah. A lot of creepy snakes. Now we're in the heart. We'll get the heads in this. There's more. Some alien weapons and accessories.
Oh, that's cool.
The cool thing about all this is that all this stuff you can mix and match, so all the weapons can go to any one of your alien treasure hunters.
Oh, it's a sticker pack.
And we got one of the sticker packs. Look at that. Look at that blaster. There's a lot of accessories here.
Yeah, ooh, there's a
little,
chainsaw.
Communication device? I don't know. A chainsaw?
Chainsaw.
Stickers in a little bag.
So they wouldn't get all slimy.
Look at the stickers. I like that guy. I love Treasurex. My gosh. We've had him before.
Yeah. Ooh, look at the slime.
Dude, I love that slime.
Yeah.
It's like Arctic slime. And I will say that the slime, you can touch it and it does not stick to you. My hands are normal after touching it. Parents, you appreciate that, don't you? So now we've got our bodies, we've got some accessories and weapons. We gotta get the heads, we gotta complete it. And we gotta get to the treasure. Ryder, you have alien eyes! You actually look kind of cool though, look. Boom, boom, boom. I bet you it's slimy, it's gooey and
I bet you
gooey.
it's yellow. Oh!
I feel like if you could get gold slime, we just nailed it. Oh, we've got a head. He's got a gold helmet. We got the guy with the X face. You know that I'm not a huge fan of slime, but I like Treasurex slime because, like I said, it doesn't stick to you. This is the most beautiful slime of all time. It's it literally looks shimmering gold. Dun, dun, dun. Cool. Dude, this guy's got a snake vibe to him.
I'll put this guy's head on. I did it.
There he is. Our second alien treasure hunter. We got 2 of them now.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Okay, all right, brain pack. Our last pack.
Oh no. My brain fell out.
Oh my gosh. Oh, we even got the treasure yet.
Oh, is it green slime?
It's yellow slime. Look at this.
What the heck?
So many snakes. If you count the snakes, we
I
got.
don't even think these are snakes. It's like brains. Dude, there's so much of them.
It just keeps coming. There were so many things in that bag. Well, we did not get the golden treasure, but it's really hard to get. We've got it once before.
Yeah.
And when you get it, it's like the best thing ever. And we'll just keep playing with Treasure X until we get it.
But maybe you can find the golden depth treasure.
Dude, I like this because you can like kind of like make a setting. It brings your play set to life. Which one do you want to do? Purple or blue?
I'll do Mr. Purple.
Like I said, you can mix and match them. So if you want to give the blue dude
A purple head.
you can do that. There's my guy.
I did it.
Love it. I gave mine a chainsaw.
But now it's about to get golden
No!
Yellow
Ah!
slime on him.
Ah! Oh, he's okay.
Nah.
Ah! He's been slimed. Plus, you have a storage container to hold your Treasure X toys.
Yeah.
This is so fun. I continuously just love Treasure X more and more. This was just a wild adventure. I didn't think we would get this many things.
Yeah.
And like I said, I'm gonna take my two favorite guys and switch out their heads.
Oh.
How many imaginative playtimes can you do with that?
Yeah.
Because you have so many different combinations you can make. It's just a very solid, fun experience. And then also you got the slime. Keep the slime, put it in a container, and you can ongoing and like incorporate that into your playtimes.
Yeah.
Also, with how the bags were organs,
I felt like you were like dissecting it.
it was like the biggest dissection, yes.
Yeah.
That's what I was getting to. So as you know, we love Treasure X dearly. If you have your own Treasure X collection, this is a great addition to it, or it's a good starting point.
Yeah.
So you can find this in your local toy aisle. Parents, if you're interested in more, I will put a link right down in the info. Yeah, we're gonna add these to our Treasure X collection.
Yeah.
We'll be back with more toy fun. We hope you have a great day. But that's it. We will see you in the future with more Treasure X and toy fun. Ryden, I love you.
I love you too.
Peace out, people.
Peace out.